true. Looking outside.
I don't want to be on the channel. I don't want to be on the channel.
Too bad. Try it. Oh, no. No. By the way, these are all burnt. They're all burnt chips. No. Okay, alright, chill, please. Oh god. He's eating more. Does anyone want this child for adoption? But yeah, we're back with, Hato, and today what we are doing is making some delicious with my boy Hato. Who is called?
I hear you. Get up my dang on.
You get off my phone. I'm just a savage. 1/4 cup of water. What the freak? Alright, so we got the batter and can't be seeing I should put a camera over here. Let's ask Hato a few questions as he's a new incomer into the family of the like button eaters, you may call us. If he wants to try these brownies, then he might have to pick up his weight, These boys. No. Next up we got what is it? Vegetable oil and water. And then an egg. So I was on the sink right now. He's literally in the sink.
Look at this dude.
Got 1/4 cup. Let's go grab some vegetable oil. Don't go in there, please. Boom. And all we need is just a little bit of egg white. Egg. We added all the ingredients. Now we just mix. I was very curious. If you ever do this with your pet, never give your pet chocolate. Because the digestive system for pets is not strong enough to digest it. Make sure you guys have enough muscle to mix, because if you don't have enough muscle, you're gonna be like breaking your arm while you're mixing. And I'm so serious, you will break your arm. I've done it before with this very young. I was like this up, then it broke. So you gotta have some muscle. You want to be able to see it. If you can't see your own muscle, don't even risk it. Hey, relax, man. Relax, buddy. Budster. Before you do this, you always want to apply like some type of non-stick to the pan. So like when you we already know it'll just stick to the pan when it bakes. So yeah, whatever you use for non-stick, I use this olive oil non-stick. My mom got it. I don't know where from, but it's pretty easy to do. You just my bad. Kind of scared Hato a little bit. So then you want to just slowly grab everything and pour it in. Alright. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. My bad. Look at this beauty. I don't you have the oven on 350? Always keep the box. Even after you put the brownies in the oven, because you might forget how long you're supposed to leave them in there, and then you just be wondering how long you're supposed to leave brownies, and then you might look up for the wrong batter, and then the wrong batter will tell you the wrong amount of minutes that you're supposed to leave them in. Set a timer for 39 to 42 minutes. I'm gonna just set it for 40 because it's in between, and then I'll see you guys in 40 minutes. Let's set up in the transition. Let's see where we Alright. It's been 40, almost 50 minutes because I let him cool when I took him out the oven. Yeah, Hato's right there, chilling. Some of that muy bien. Let's cut up these brownies, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Are you in there? Yo! My cat is in here. Thank you. Alright guys, first bite. I took Spanish 1 and then Spanish 2. I only remember one word.
No.
Delicious. Good. I don't make sure you guys just eat the like button. Like where you just ate these freaking brownies. Sorry. Guys, hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to. You don't have to. And I guess we'll see you guys in the next video. See you later.